Are we gonna see Mr. Froggy today? Yes, we're gonna see Mr. Froggy today. Yeah! Hello, I'm Mr. Froggy Man. I think Froggy is having a party. Should we see if he's gonna come out? Oh, hello, wow, hello Froggy. You've got some amazing friends. Oh, you're gonna come out. There he is, there's Froggy. Hello. Oh, he's saying hello. Ooh, that's very nice. Shall we meet some of your friends? Yes. All right. It's a dog! What a lovely dog! Oh, woof, 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 woof. That's a nice friend, Froggy. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's going in there. I wonder what's going to come out now. You got another friend. It's a lobster! Oh, what was that? Oh, a langoustine. Oh, you're so posh, Froggy. Right. Hello, mister. Be careful with your... Ow! Careful of your claws. Bye-bye, Mr. Langoustine. Have you got any more? Oh, he's got a friend that's very blingy. It means it's very shiny. I wonder what it could be. It's a cat. Look, hello. Wow, what a lovely kitty. Oh, you have some great friends, Froggy, don't you? Yes, you do. Wow. See you later.